Yo, what's up? What's up, family? Today we're gonna do a little review about the stuff that I've been building on over the last couple of days, right? So crude oil, she broke her ceiling, right? So prior to this break, we had a ceiling from the left of the chart. We had a floor from the left of the chart, right? So going into the morning trade, she didn't break the floor. Okay? So we already know that if she don't break the floor, she's going to test the ceiling. Y'all see that? Prep work. Now we go down to our smaller time frame because this is where we want to get in. So in between the 4-hour ceiling and floor, I had a little hourly internal floor. Y'all see that right there? So everything is about prep work in your chart prior to the move actually happening, right? So you get your little internal ceiling, then you drop down to the 15-minute chart, see what the story is going on in the 15-minute chart, right? Wash, rinse, and repeat, okay? Get to the 15-minute chart, she's being contained within the hourly ceiling and the 4-hour floor, okay? First sign that possibly the market is going up towards the ceiling is that we had an impulse, correction, that looks like our symbol, that looks like our buy symbol, impulse, correction, continuation, okay? So when she came back up and closed, she closed back above the correction. Soon as this candle starts popping green, that is the beginning of your continuation. Impulse, correction, continuation, right? Patience. Be patient and wait for the move to happen. Do not try to guess when she's going to break out. Wait for the symbol. Impulse, correction, or pullback, or retracement. Continuation. Stop loss. Right underneath. Right? Right underneath. Tight stop loss. Bar flips green. Hit the buy button. Get your daily target. Let your runner run to the ceiling. Last trade of the year. Listen, guys, I want to say thank y'all for coming in on my live videos and or reviewing them when you could. I want to wish everybody a happy new year, and I look forward to building with some people in the new year on 2023 being a prosperous year. In order to create change, guys, you got to do something different. This is Master B out, wishing you a prosperous new year. Peace.